Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be trading with the OTC currency pairs. Because today is a weekend, I'll be using my normal strategy. I'll be looking at the resistance level, I'll be looking at the support level, I'll be also looking at the price movement up and the price movement down. So I have received so many questions and comments about my strategies, and I also answer all these questions in my private chat in Telegram. So if you haven't joined, I also ask you and I also invite you to join this private chat. I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, because I also post their trading signals and also answer any other questions about crypto trading. So thank you so much for watching this channel. If you haven't subscribed, I ask you to please subscribe and also like this video. So let's get started. So friends, today I'll be trading with the OTC currency pair, as I said at the beginning of this video. So these currency pairs are only made available at night time and on the weekend, as it is today. So how do you correctly trade these OTC currency pairs? You need to use technical analysis, which is resistance level, support level, uptrend and downtrend. So if you do not remember this classical trading, I advise you to go and watch previous videos, and you'll be able to learn more about this classical trading. And also I'll be starting with my deposit of $1 and try to overclock it to $3,000 by the end of this video. So stay tuned until the end of this video and also leave a like. So let's get started. I was looking at the history of this chart in order to define the level due to the low levels of these candles. Now moving back to the current price movement, you need to pay attention to the steady downtrend that is going on, and also there is a distance to support level. I'll enter the market with a downtrend for 3 minutes here, because the downtrend is likely to resume and hit the support level. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, I have got my profit when movement down resumed after a flat zone, and 3 minutes were chosen correctly here. There was a breakout of the level with very impulsive red candlesticks, and I think it's very good to open the next trade here, but I think I need to wait for the movement in the opposite direction, which is a pullback that usually happens in most cases after the breakout of the level. And well, the candle, as you can see now, it has stopped. And you can also see that the green candle is also appearing. So I think I'll enter the market for 1 minute with an up trade here and wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, price stopped and there was the pullback up. I've got the profit from this transaction, and 1 minute was enough here, so let me go on. So this is a level of resistance. The price has impulsively hit this level, and I'll enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute, because I'm expecting a retracement or a small pullback down, which usually happens after impulsive movement to the level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So I've got my profit again, and analyzing the situation, there was the pullback down and the transaction is positive. The price is now trending towards the level, as you can see, and is starting to break through it. So I entered the market with an up trade for 1 minute here, because soon there will be a breakout of this level. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well friends, I've got my profit again. So analyzing this trade, you can see that there was a breakout of the level and 1 minute was enough here. So as you might have noticed, I've traded on this level already twice. I already opened a down trade and an up trade. All this is possible because I've had a lot of practice and a lot of experience trading, which you can be able to do as well. You just need to stop doubting yourself and be able to trade. So let me continue and find another trade to trade on. This is a new situation, and according to the history of this chart, I defined the level due to the low levels of these candles. I'll remember it and use it as support level. So returning to the beginning, here you can notice the down trade, which is very steady. There is a distance to the support level. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 5 minutes with a reserve, because I can expect a flat or a small pullback up, and then down movement will resume because price has strength to go down here. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, the downtrend resumed and I've got the profit from this transaction. The price hasn't hit the support level because there is a huge distance to it. So let's try to enter the market here again, because I can observe a slight red candlestick, and here I'll enter the market with a downtrend for 3 minutes because I think downtrend will continue, and let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, price movement down resumed and I've got the profit from this transaction. There may be a rollback up or a flat, but I would like to find the next entry point. So this is a level of support and this is a very steady downtrend. The price has hit this level and then rolled back up, and now it's again trending towards this level and it's squeezing this. So here I'll enter the market with a downtrend for 3 minutes because I'm expecting the price will be moving down and then break through this level. Well friends, analyzing the situation, I've got very good profit from this transaction. The level has been broken, so let me find another situation. So this is the level of support and this is a very steady downtrend. There is a distance to the level of support. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, and I expect that price will likely trend to this level. Also, there can be the pullback up or the flat zone, but then movement down of course must resume. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well guys, analyzing this trade, there was a small flat zone but movement down resumed and I've got the profit from this transaction. The price hasn't hit the level of support yet, so I'll open the next trade in this situation with an up trade for 1 minute and wait for the results of this trade. Well friends, analyzing the situation, movement down resumed after a slight rollback up and I've got the profit from this transaction. Even with 1 minute, you can observe that the price is trending impulsively. So I'll enter the market here again. I'll enter for 1 minute and I suppose it will be enough time for the profit. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, price stopped and then there was a rollback up and I've got the profit from this transaction, and 1 minute was enough for that. So let me continue. So here I can observe the level of resistance, and also it has been the very steady uptrend. The price hit this level and then bounced down and now it's trending towards the level and squeezing there. So here I'll enter the market with an uptrade for 2 minutes because I'm expecting the price to trend to this level and maybe break through it, because price has good strength to go up here. So I'll wait for the results of this trade and see. Well friends, analyzing this trade, price resumed trend upwards and I've got the profit again. So let me go on. So this is a level of resistance and it has been a very steady uptrend. and price is likely to trend to the level and break through it. So I'm thinking I'll enter the market with an up trade for 3 minutes here and wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, after a slight rollback down, the movement up resumed and I've got the profit from this transaction. So 3 minutes were chosen correctly, and I think that a small flat will take place anytime soon, but I'd like to look for more confident entry points. Well, here you can observe the level of support, and also this is the movement down and the price maximum is becoming lower. That's why I'll enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute. And you can see that the price is breaking through this level, and here it's more likely that the price will trend down. So let's figure it out. Well, looking at the situation, the price resumed trending down, and this is the breakout of the level. I've got very brilliant profits from this transaction, so let me go on. So here I can observe the level of resistance right now. And this is a very steady movement upwards, and there is a distance to the level, so I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes. The price is likely to trend upwards because it has the strength to go up. So let me wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, price resumed trend upwards and I've got the profit again. So this time was chosen correctly, so let me go on. So here you can observe the level of support, and it has been the very steady movement down. The price hit this level and then rolled back, and now it is trending down. So I'll enter the market with a downtrend for 2 minutes because I think that price is likely to resume trending to this level, and also a breakout is possible here. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, price really trended down and I've got the profit again. So this time was chosen correctly. So as you can notice now, my balance is already $3,000, which is my goal for today. And I think this is the moment for me to stop trading here for today. So guys, as you notice, my strategy has been very helpful and very useful to me. I've been able to make a lot of profit and hit my goals for the trades. And also this strategy does not only support OTC currency pairs, but it also works for other currency pairs. So I've been able to do this with a lot of practice and without doubts, and I also recommend you to practice a lot without doubting yourself. Practice and practice, and you'll be able to also find your entry points and be able to also develop your own strategy. But if you have any questions about my strategy or any other crypto question, I'm ready to answer it. That's why I invite you to my private chat in Telegram channel. That's why I usually answer all the questions. I left a link down below. That link down below is a link to my private chat. You need to write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat so that you can be able to ask all your questions, be able to receive trading signals, and also look at my trading charts. And also you can be able to comment if you have any new comments about any new videos that you would like to see. And also thank you so much for watching this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye bye.